Hello everyone, this is the breath technique of the day I want to share with all of you. This is called Vase Breath, and then I'm also going to share about what's called reverse vase breath. So vase breath, you imagine a vase. When you fill water into a vase, it fills up nice and low and slow, and then once the water gets towards the top, it narrows and lifts up pretty quickly. So the vase breath mimics that slow to initiate, low diaphragmatic breath to start. So you can play with that. Bring your awareness, energy, your breath low. And then the diaphragmatic breath is three-dimensional. So it's not just belly breath, it's wide, it's into the low back, it's expansive. And so that is a base of the vase. But whenever we want to bring it together, it starts, initiates low, and let it go. So the beginning is low, and then it narrows, lifts. So notice my shoulders get involved, my spine lengthens, let it go, relax. So try that together with me, in low, and relax. You can breathe through the nose or mouth, either way, and relax. I like to breathe and do the vase breath through the lips. Through the lips, you gain a little bit more control and you can lengthen out and then get a little bit extra inhale at the top. So if you want to try a vase breath through the lips, let it go. You might have a little bit more ease in feeling the vase breath through the lips. And once you get familiar with that expansion, let's do another one, lips. And lift at the top of the vase, let it go. Once you get that feel, then you can shift into the nose and let it go. Notice it's a little bit more effortful through the nose, but through the lips, that resistance creates a little bit more fluidity. Either way, there's no right or wrong. I like to mix and match and do both based on different situations. So that is the vase breath. The reverse vase breath is whenever you exhale gentle, and then you blow out the end strong. So it's the reverse concept where you inhale, exhale long and slow, and then at the very end, you press out that little bit of bottom. So you can play with both of these. This is the technique of the day. Try them out, use them throughout the day, really get familiar with how it works in your body and how it feels. Let me know, share below your thoughts, and have a beautiful day.